Hey everyone! So this is my day one after my DIY microneedling using Banisher 2.0, which is this tool. And this is my 18th session now. And this is how my skin look. So for me, the hyperpigmentation is, getting lighter. We're getting there. Alright. So in this video, I will just, do my skincare. So first, I'll be using the Banish Serum, which is vitamin C and E, and this is a dark spot corrector. So this is good for hyperpigmentation. So let me just apply it. I'll just wait for it na ma-absorb ng aking skin before moving to my second product. Tama ba? Yeah. Sana nag-voice over na lang pala ako, no? Ang hirap magsalita and mag-isip ng English at the same time. Alright, and then next ay itong Banish Vitamin C Cream. So this is a brightening moisturizer. So paubos na siya. So Banish, I need to restock. Char. Sorry, I can't talk while doing the skincare. So that's why I prefer to do voiceover. Kasi nga some people, some of the viewers requesting for me to create mga videos na English only. So lang, kaya I'm trying to do my best na mag-speak in English. But it's hard. Alright, so the last step is I applied sunscreen. So I'm using invisible sunscreen from Glam Beauty with SPF 60. So I forgot to press the record button. So I wasn't able to, film it. Tama ba? Basta yun. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. Follow me and subscribe to my channel as well. That's it. Bye.